right, we're over at the Riverside. This is the homie's first time checking out Phnom Penh Riverside, walking in the footsteps of the great No Joke Howard.
No Joke Howard, I keep hearing about that. I've never seen a No Joke Howard video.
He was definitely the first motherfucker to talk about eating a ladyboy's asshole in Phnom Penh, so he definitely set a lot of records for travel bloggers. The guy was definitely a cartoon. But how nice is this, man? This is a beautiful place. Walking in the footsteps of No Joke Howard. I'm walking with the homie over here, saying hello to everybody. What do you think of the Riverside so far?
Well, I like the Riverside. Riverside's pretty nice.
We're just getting started. We're gonna cruise down the Riverside for a bit, and then we'll see what else we get into. We're gonna show you everything we show the homie in Phnom Penh, so you can check it out also. He lost his mask, and we're gonna teach you how to brush your teeth. Yo, this is a very nice place, the Riverside, man. Like during the day, it's very peaceful. This is the Bassik River. That's kind of what I do like a little better about Phnom Penh is it's not just the Saigon River, it's like two rivers, you know?
Oh, okay.
It makes it a lot nicer.
Yeah, on the other side of this, right?
Yeah. It's the Mekong.
Side of this peninsula.
Yeah, that's the Mekong meeting the Bassik right in front of you.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Segways. Wow, we got some segways over here.
And some monks.
And some monks. Yeah.
So what do you think of the Riverside area so far?
I like the Riverside area. Area's pretty nice, very quiet. You know, kind of serene. Not you know, it's not like, I don't know if I'll give it a 10. I'll probably give it like a 7. You know what I mean?
Are you talking about the river or the neighborhood surrounding it? Because we're in the neighborhood surrounding it now. So we just took them to the girly bar street. Now we're going to take them over to the big wet market. We walked a little bit past the night market, and now I'm going to take them to the actual wet market over here. So this is the Riverside neighborhood, bro. So there's the Riverside, like the physical place, and then there's the neighborhood. And this is considered like the Riverside, like when people talk about it, like, oh, I'm staying at the Riverside, this is where they're talking about.
cái đó 200 hộp đi, mình nghĩ cho mấy IC cái này.
I don't know if I'm gonna eat it, but it looks good.
Got the
Looks good.
rotisserie.
But I don't know if I wanna eat it.
Fresh coconut juice coming up.
How much is it?
How much is it, Jay?
$1, bro.
$1, okay.
That's,
You might as well get one right here and chill and
that's
dress it.
normal.
What's $1?
Get loy.
$5
How
is
much?
$1?
All right. How does it taste?
Uncle Chin Diaper approves.
Awesome.
I like about the Khmer style temples versus the Thais do it also, but the Khmer walls are always really epic. Like there's really always really intricate, like cool walls that surround the pagoda with big grand gateways. Like sorry guys, hey, what's up, homie? Nice to see you, bro. Sorry guys, I don't need nothing today, homie. My heart said yes. You got a dope hustle. Respect. No, I'm good, brother.
Hello.
Tomorrow.
I'm sure, man. I'm sorry. Sorry, bro.
$1 by either.
No, sorry, bro. I give to temple.
Hey, where's the Happy Pizza at, bro?
Where?
A buddy of mine, he was like, yo, you need to go get the Happy Pizza. I said, I already found out about the Happy Pizza.
You wanna?
No. One of my friends who lives in Denai, he was like, get the Happy Pizza.
It's fucked,
I
bro.
was like, bro, I already been told about the Happy Pizza. He started laughing.
No, it's good. The problem is they make it too strong. Like they put,
is this it, brother?
yeah, this is it right here. Yeah, this is one. There's two that are like well known. You know?
I like my what's it called? I like to be clear-headed.
Are you thinking of living, investing, buying property, buying land, working, or spending any significant time in Cambodia? Cambodia is an amazing country that offers a wide range of different opportunities for someone who has an open mind. If you're thinking about coming to Cambodia for the first time, we offer a consulting service for people who are looking to have everything done for them before they arrive. They want their housing contacts, their employment, their consultants, whatever they want to find in the country, they want it set up. That's what we do for you. We make it easy so that you don't have to worry about scams, problems, or other pitfalls that new expats face in this amazing country.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start? You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true, you don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. And we help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.